like this size chunk, and they will be there the day after. Yeah, it's just so dense. There's almost no air left inside it over the years. Now this is like this piece over here. You see how blue it is in there? It's just like a crystal. The air has been squeezed out over a long period of time. We think up to 1,000 years this one could be. But that same blue piece of ice, if you take a cube and thaw it out, it will be clear to you. So it's, you really need those thick piece of ice to do that. This one has moved a lot actually. It was stuck in that 140 meter zone for probably a week. And then it slowly drifted along the bottom, dragging itself. So it reached 100 meters, and then in the end it got stuck at 55 meters on the other end. And then a massive wind blew it all the way back. Now it's over here. And it used to look like two towers. That, yeah, my boss has to see them all the time.